Welcome back with an update on this winter storm. Looks like it's not going to get a name, so that just means I'm going to have to change the name of the playlist. But anyways, accumulations, snowfall. So yeah, Chicago, 3 to 5 inches of snow for southern Adirondacks of New York. Chicago picked up 3.4 inches of snow. Buffalo picked up 3.6 inches. Northern Illinois into lower Michigan picked up 9.3 inches. Well, heavier snow piled up 9.3 inches at Ann Arbor, 18 inches by late Monday at Empire and near Burdickville. But that's mostly because of the lake effect. Winter storm warnings have been issued. This may end up causing this to get a name, but don't count on it. Here's a look at what is expected next couple of days. Tuesday, possible ice in Georgia, Carolinas. How much snow? Accumulations as far south as Georgia. And, well, there we go. Which, actually, with that, that's it. Pausing to the radar. And we're back with the radar. There's snowfall totals from the system. Honestly surprised it didn't get a name with all this snow that's going on. And with what looks to be snow trying to get close to Houston. But anyways. And even I had some snow. This is the effects from past couple hours. But anyways, so getting to main radar. There's a system now getting quite icy in Texas. So let's see where this goes. I'll go with the others after this, and let's see if there is going to be some ice in Houston. There's some ice and snow in Mexico. It's going to be quite laggy and empty. Bunch of empty threats right now. But yeah, just gonna actually pause until it's more. Well, looks like bad news is radar is down, or just being a pain. But as you can see, I was trying to get that going for you guys, but doesn't want to cooperate. But anyways, that's about it. Stay safe. See you in the next video. Bye.